Hi guys, today I would like to show you that how you can fix the zipper. This zipper is not moving. This is the bag that I used to use, but there is a problem and the zipper is not going anywhere. So I try to use this WD-40 and another bag I had it and I put it and it works very well. Now I'll try for this bag. Only just what are you gonna do? And all the way around this zipper place, just spray it. Yeah, just spray it all the way. Little by little bit. Okay, all the way. You just go all the way. Yeah, all the way go. Yeah, just go. Of course, I have a camera in my hands, so it's hard to do that, but just all the way go. Okay. Also, just spray inside of this one a little bit more. Okay, that's cool. And then, yeah, then wait a little bit, like 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute, and after that, yeah, it's gonna work so smooth. You will be happy. This WD-40 is gonna work very well. So, yeah, you can try now. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, see, like, oh, fantastic. So easy. So, like, before it was so hard to move, open the zipper, but now it's very easy. So, look, even the sideways, pull, see, right away. Straight out like this, the other way. See, oh, it's so easy. I mean, whoop, yeah, it's so easy. You can try, whichever is not working. This is also not working, but I'm gonna put it later on. I just show you guys that you can use the WD-40 for the zipper, and it's gonna work. And hopefully you like this video, and please subscribe, and see you next time for another video. Bye bye.